If you like to receive birthday notifications of your friends, or you like to know when your friends on Facebook have birthdays, then all you need to do is to go ahead and turn on birthday notifications on your Facebook account. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. To turn the notifications on, it is quite simple. Just head over to your profile image here on menu and then tap on it to open your menu. And then under menu, go ahead and tap on settings. And then scroll down until you get to preferences section. Now under this, look for this option called notifications, and you can see it is here. If you go ahead and tap on it, scroll down, you'll be able to see birthdays here. Currently, birthdays are turned off, and that's why you are not receiving birthday notifications whenever your friends have birthdays. To receive these notifications, go ahead and tap on birthdays. Then go ahead and toggle this on. And now the notifications will be turned on, or you'll be receiving notifications whenever you have a friend who has a birthday. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.